In this video series, we will be discussing how to find information for both companies and industries. If you want to find information about a company using the library's resources, you can start at our homepage, which is located at library.uhv.edu. We are going to go to our Business Library Guide, which has most of our business resources in one convenient place. To get to the guide, click on the Guides icon, then select Business. From here, you can click on the Company Information tab, which lists resources that focus on company information. The first resource I want to highlight is Mergent Online. One of the great things about Mergent Online is the way it presents financial data. I'm going to do a search for the company I'm interested in, Comfort Systems USA. It usually will auto-populate related companies, and here we can see our company, Comfort Systems USA. Now we are at the Comfort Systems page in Mergent Online, and there's a lot of information to go through. First, you always want to note the company name and the NASDAQ Market System acronym for the company. This can help you make sure that you have the right company when you search in other databases. If you look at these blue tabs, you'll be able to see what kinds of information Mergent Online provides about the company. You can get to the financial information by clicking on the Company Financials tab. Here you can get financial information as reported, preliminary, standardized, and so on. In addition, you can get up to 15 years of data based on what is available to Mergent Online. So if, for example, you wanted to see quarterly income statements from the past 10 years, you can make those changes and then click on Refresh. The information is provided in spreadsheet form, and you can download this information to a spreadsheet so that you can do analysis on your own or even compare it to other companies. Mergent Online also provides filings in a variety of different formats. So SEC filings are available to you in Mergent Online, and you can get to them in HTML, Word documents, Excel sheets, and PDFs. The second database we'll look at is D&B Hoovers. Once you're in D&B Hoovers, you can type in the company name, and we'll be brought to the Comfort Systems page. At the very top of the page, there will be summary information. But then as we scroll down, you'll see all the information that's available to you. Here we have a company summary, and also we'll have the industry which the company falls under. The most useful code will be our NAICS code for 2017, and you can see that the industry code is 238210 and that it falls under electrical contractors and other wiring installation contractors. This will be useful in our part 2 video about industries. Further down, we'll see different company highlights, key contacts, and even news articles about the industry. Over on the left side of the page, you'll be able to get even more detailed information such as competitors, closest industry peers, SEC filings, as well as financial information. Another useful tool in D&B Hoovers is the one-stop report feature. This allows you to get all of this information in one easy-to-read PDF. So you can see we've got all of the categories selected, and then here we can look at the available reports. So let's say I want to look at the company summary, I want to see the closest industry peers, financial health information, and annual ratios and ratio comparisons. I'll hit done, then we can open up our downloaded PDF and have all of this information together. The last database we'll look at is Business Source Complete Enhanced Interface. Here you can type in keywords for the company and it will search for materials with those keywords, but I find it easier to use the advanced search options below. You can search for detailed company information, and you can search for company profiles, which will give detailed company information and analyses. If we select company profiles and do a search for our company, you can see we have a market line report. This report will have information such as company overview, key facts about the company, business description, major products and services, top competitors, and more. These are just some of the business resources we have available for you. If you have any questions about using any of these resources I covered in this video, or need help for further research on companies or industries, remember that the library is here to help you.